One simply cannot take health for granted in today's world. Our body is an organization of all our organs functioning like a well-oiled, meticulous machine. In this machine, the bean-shaped kidneys play a massive function. They are so important that we have a spare one just in case. So, in today's video, let us find out how one can find solutions if they are facing a kidney problem. Kidneys, keeping your blood clean at all times. The kidneys are two bean-shaped organs located on either side of your spine, behind your ribs and behind your belly button. Each kidney is about the size of a huge fist and is around 4 to 5 inches long. They might seem tiny, but trust us, they are one of the most useful organs in your body. The kidneys are in charge of filtering your blood. They eliminate waste, maintain the body's fluid balance, and maintain proper electrolyte levels. Now, this seems like a pretty important process, doesn't it? Well, that is because it is. This process takes place around 40 times a day. The kidney is filtering your blood almost 40 times in a day. The kidney receives blood, removes waste, and adjusts salt, water, and minerals as needed. The blood that has been filtered is returned to the body. Waste is converted to urine, which accumulates in the kidney's pelvis, a funnel-shaped structure that drains into the bladder through a tube called the ureter. Around 1 million microscopic filters called nephrons are found in each kidney. It's possible that just 10% of your kidneys are functioning, yet you're not aware of any symptoms or issues. If blood supply to a kidney is interrupted, a portion or all of it may perish. Kidney failure can result as a result of this. A staggering number of people in America alone are afflicted with these problems. More than 30 million individuals in the United States have renal disease, yet the majority are unaware of it. Kidney disease has a lot of physical symptoms, but they are often misdiagnosed as other illnesses. Furthermore, kidney disease patients often do not show symptoms until the very end of the disease, when the kidneys are failing or there is a lot of protein in the urine. Foreseeing kidney problems. The body has many ways of warning you with the help of superficial signs that it is in imminent danger of any internal trouble. Kidney problems also have symptoms that can help you detect them at an early stage. This could be extremely helpful detecting problems at an early age, avoiding imminent danger. Fatigue. Erythropoietin, or EPO, is a hormone produced by healthy kidneys that instructs your body to produce oxygen-carrying red blood cells. The kidneys produce less EPO as people age. Your muscles and brain fatigue faster because there are fewer red blood cells carrying oxygen. This is anemia, which is treatable. In simple terms, if you feel exhausted without doing anything and feel sleepy more often than usual, they could be signs of a lack of EPO. Feeling exhausted while your day was bereft of any activities could be a sign of several irregularities. So, if you are feeling tired for no apparent reason, it is always good to visit a physician. Shortness of breath. Shortness of breath is linked to the kidneys in two ways. Extra fluid in the body might first accumulate in the lungs. Second, anemia, a lack of oxygen-carrying red blood cells, can leave your body depleted of oxygen and make you feel out of breath. Shortness of breath could be a result of many things. Anemia is a possible reason. Many patients claim that they have had sleepless nights and get paranoid during such situations. Patients feel like they are about to fall down or drown. When one feels like this, they should immediately consult a physician, as they could be vulnerable to all sorts of physical health problems. Difficulty in thinking clearly. As mentioned in the previous symptom, any lack of control over one's senses could be a case of anemia. Anemia, caused by renal failure, indicates that your brain is not receiving enough oxygen. Feeling faint, dizzy, or weak as a result of this might occur. This could be as simple as easily forgetting what you were going to do after getting up from your couch. Now, this is a common human occurrence, so do not get worried if it has happened once or twice. Here we are talking about more chronic occurrences. Lack of concentration in every activity you do in your day-to-day life could also be a sign. Feeling itchy all over your body. If you feel a severe itch, when we say severe, we mean an itch that you know is beyond your skin and is irking your very bones, you could be dealing with some kidney-related issues. This itching usually causes one to scratch a lot, and patients come with a bloody skin or skin that has turned bright red from all the scratching. Kidneys that are in good health perform a variety of vital functions. They assist your body eliminate waste and excess fluid, help create red blood cells, keep your bones healthy, and keep the proper quantity of minerals in your blood. Dry dry, itchy skin can be an indication of mineral and bone illness, which is common with severe renal disease and occurs when the kidneys are no longer able to maintain the proper balance of minerals and nutrients in the blood. The kidneys are affiliated to this symptom in a very simple way. All waste material in your body is removed from the circulation by the kidneys. When your kidney fails, waste build up in your blood, causing intense itching. This is caused primarily due to impure blood circulating in your stream. Swelling in hands or feet. Swelling body parts are extremely alarming. If any part of your body begins to swell, you should rush to a physician. In this case, many patients develop swelling in their ankle. The sides of their ankles swell up to such an extent that they couldn't even comfortably slip their shoes on. Reduced renal function can cause salt retention, which causes edema in the feet and ankles. Heart illness, liver disease, and chronic leg vein issues can all cause swelling in the lower limbs. When your kidneys fail, excess fluid accumulates in your body, producing swelling in your legs, ankles, feet, and/or hands. The extra fluid is also extremely toxic and can cause all sorts of long-term health issues if it goes unchecked for a prolonged period. This can also cause a patient to develop a swollen or a puffy face. This swelling can also be very painful to these patients. Food starts tasting like metal. This is one of the most alarming symptoms of any kidney-related health issues. This foul taste that develops in a patient's mouth is caused due to something called uremia. Uremia, or a buildup of waste in the blood, can alter the flavor of food and produce foul breath. You may also realize that you no longer like eating meat or that you are losing weight as a result of your inability to eat. This could lead to several other issues in the realm of nutrition, as you are not consuming the right amount of food. Foamy or bubbly urine. When kidneys filter waste from the blood to generate urine, they usually retain the blood cells in the body. But when the filters in the kidneys are broken, the blood cells can leak out into the urine. If you notice that your urine is foamy or very bubbly, you should seriously consider reporting the same to a doctor. This is mainly because of a kidney malfunction that allows an above normal amount of protein making its way into the urine, making it very foamy and bubbly. In fact, any urine-related issue can be directly connected to a kidney malfunction. In some cases, feeling a tightness or pressure while urinating could also be linked to a kidney-related problem. Even the frequency of your urination cycle is directly linked to the health of your kidneys. With pale urine, you may pee more frequently or in larger volumes than normal. You could feel pressed or have trouble urinating. Muscle cramps. Kidney malfunctions can also cause muscular cramps, which can be extremely painful. Impaired renal function can lead to electrolyte abnormalities. Muscle cramping can be caused by low calcium levels and poorly regulated phosphorus. For example, when you face any of these aforementioned symptoms, it is best to rush to your nearest medical health professional.